Well, hey everybody, welcome back to King's Outdoor Life. This is nothing like our usual videos, but I could not find the video I needed to replace this damper control assembly for my Amana refrigerator. Here's the model number and serial number, and this part is fairly expensive, or fairly inexpensive I should say. It's only about $75 in most places, but it causes the refrigerator to freeze the things really on the top shelf especially, but perhaps all the way in the refrigerator. So the troubleshooting technique there is, if your refrigerator is freezing everything instead of just cooling it, it could be this damper control assembly, which is the part that turns the vent, if you will, to let more air come out of the freezer to cool your refrigerator. That's how refrigerators cool. They send the coldest air from the freezer into the refrigerator. At that point, the video goes blank because I realized I should have pulled the power to it. So I went and flipped the breaker in order to not cause any damage to the refrigerator. So as you saw, there was one 3/8 inch hex head that I had to remove and then pop off that cover. I put a flashlight in here so we could see what we were doing. And now I've got to figure out how to remove each of these parts without breaking them. That's my problem, is breaking the parts. There's a styrofoam thing there that's kind of an insulator around the damper control assembly. I'm looking at the part there to make sure there's no screws holding it in before I start tugging and pulling on something. So it pulls straight out. It was frozen in place, I've come to find out, but it slides straight off, and set that aside. And then you've got the part there that you can see, and there's a tab at the top and a tab at the bottom that you just push in those tabs to slide this part straight out. I'm using my Leatherman knife. Any flathead screwdriver would work there, just to push in those tabs. Once you have it loose, it's just a matter of removing the two wiring assemblies there. Remove the ground first, and then you have a little button you got to push on each of those to pop those wiring harnesses loose. So pop those loose, and that's all there is to removing the damper control assembly. If you didn't make sure you look ahead or take a picture with your phone of where these wires go, there's really no way you can wire it in wrong, but famous last words of somebody wiring in the part wrong is not taking a picture first to make sure you understand where each of those wire clips go. So unclip each of those, get the new part. Of course, you should have already by now have looked to make sure your new part matches your old part. Put those wiring clips back where they go. Again, there's really only one way they go, and you want to make sure you get those back in place. Once the wiring is back in place, you'll clip the assembly back in place at the top and then back in place at the bottom. And there are no screws holding this in. On this Amana and Maytag model, there's only the one screw holding that cover, no screws holding these parts. Once the assembly is in place, you want to put the styrofoam piece back in place. And again, that's just to try to keep all that cold air away from those delicate parts. Once that's in place, you'll get your cover back in place. There's two tabs that go in the back. You want to push those two tabs in the back first. You'll see me doing that here. This up top in the front is pliable. You can push it under where the wiring cover is. Push that tight, and then put your one screw back in place. And I'll fast forward on my socket set here, putting this screw back in place. And that's all there is to it. It took me twice as long to edit this video as it did to replace this part. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, share with a friend, and check out some of our other videos at King's Outdoor Life, and I hope you enjoy those too. I'll close this out with you this part number or model number and serial number of this refrigerator in case you need that to help you replace your own.